Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office and I'm excited because I have the March Joyful Jordan box to share with you today. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. So in case you are new, the Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. And Jordan Essentials is a company out of Nixa, Missouri. It's a woman-owned company that's been around since 2000. And they specialize in bath and body products and especially topical magnesium products, which is something kind of interesting and different I'll talk about in a minute. But everything uses plant-based ingredients, it's toxin-free, and it's healthy for the whole family. So I love being a consultant with Jordan Essentials. I've been with the company since 2004, and I like that I can just know I'm going to use these great products that are healthy for my whole family, and I don't have to worry about any ingredients or anything like that. And I love this Joyful Jordan box because it's a fun way to get some unique products. Usually there's a couple of items in here that are not in the regular catalog, so they're only going to be available during that month's box. And of course, the box is a $29 box, and it usually has around $39 or more worth of product in it. You can purchase a box anytime, but if you choose to sign up for a subscription, then you also get free shipping with your subscription each month. So that's kind of a fun way to get these extra special products in your hands each month and save a little bit on your shipping costs as well. So without further ado, let's open this March Joyful Jordan box. And these are a little box of awesomeness each month. And each box is going to come with a card. So this month, the box is a lemonade box, and the card says, "Recipe for Happy Spring Days. Squeeze out any bitter juice, toss the tough outer shell, add a sweet spirit, good friends, a little sweet pampering, and stir in good times. Enjoy." So that's a cute card this month, and the back of the card is going to show us just a little bit about what's inside the box this month. So it says, "A refreshing spa experience is easy peasy lemon squeezy with tart raspberry and crisp lemon. Brighter days are here." And I'm excited because this is a fun exclusive scent. This raspberry lemonade scent is not in our catalog. It never has been. Every once in a while we'll have either a Joyful Jordan box with some items in this scent, or sometimes it's just a special that pops up here and there. So let's start with the very first thing that's on the card, which is this lip balm. So this is the lemonade lip balm, and you can see this is a large tube. It's not your average size on a lip balm. I can show you here, this is one of our regular mint lip butters, and this is this special lip balm that's in the box this month. So definitely this is the jumbo size lip balm, and it says, "Soften lips just in time for spring. The emollient butter balm is made with a touch of shea butter and squalane to provide deep hydration and help reduce wrinkles. Best when used daily." So you can see this is going to be our lovely beeswax base. It's just going to go on really soft and creamy, and that lemonade smell is so fresh. I love it. It makes me just think of bright sunny days. And of course, lemon is an uplifting scent, so that's going to be fun too, just to have that extra special one. I'll probably keep this one in my purse because it's a nice jumbo size, so should last me a while. So that's our first item. Next, we have the body polish in this raspberry lemonade scent. Exfoliate away the winter and enjoy refreshing, beautifully polished skin. A gentle cleanser is infused with jojoba microbeads and cosmetic-grade pulverized walnut shells to provide a natural exfoliation. And I love it that we do things like use these natural pulverized walnut shells, because it's not plastic that's going into the oceans. It's just something biodegradable that's going to be healthy and good for my skin, and also good for the environment too. It just says, place a small amount on the palm of your hand, wash cloth or scrunchie, and apply in a circular motion onto skin. Rinse clean. And I will just show you a little bit of what this texture is like on the scrub. So you can see it's going to be this rich and creamy soap, and then it has those little bit of pulverized walnut shells, but you can see how tiny they are. They're so small. So definitely a fun way to exfoliate your skin. And again, it's got that really that bright and fresh raspberry lemonade scent. So let me go wash my hand. I'll be right back. Okay, then the final item is the magnesium body spray in that raspberry lemonade scent. And it says, give yourself a spritz of a fresh springtime fragrance with beneficial ingredients. The witch hazel spray is enhanced with beneficial magnesium to calm and moisturize skin while helping to ease stress, fatigue, and soothe sore muscles. So this is going to be that healthy witch hazel base on your spray, but you'll have the magnesium in there to boost and just help this work. And a smell, that fresh raspberry lemonade smell is going to be awesome. So we actually have quite a few products in our catalog with topical magnesium. And we use topical magnesium chloride, which has rapid absorption and bypasses your delicate digestive system with many of the same benefits of an oral supplement. So it can help soothe muscles, relax tension and cramping, ease aches and pains, alleviate headaches and migraines, decrease stress and anxiety, reduce fatigue, calm inflammation, enhance your quality of sleep, boost energy, improve circulation, and encourage healthy skin overall. So having that topical magnesium is really an amazing boost to this lovely product where you're just going to get that fun, bright, and fresh scent for the springtime. But if you've ever had any issues like muscle spasms or cramping, or pain or soreness, or numbness or tingling, headaches, low energy or fatigue, poor sleep, decreased focus or brain fog, anxiety, irritability, and depression, eye twitches, restless legs, constipation or digestive issues, and craving for sweets, then the magnesium in our products can really help. So this is a great way to give it a try with this spray, something quick and easy, and you can apply it and just see if you get some benefits from it that way. And again, you're going to have that wonderful, bright and fresh smell for the spring. So I will have everything linked in the description down below. You can get your hands on the March Joyful Jordan box and give these products a try in this exclusive scent. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever tried any Jordan Essentials products. I'd love to hear how they helped. And other than that, stay tuned for my next video. And thanks for joining me. Have a good one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.